Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My today's recipe is saffron pulao or Jafrani pulao as it is called in India. This rice is a very mild rice which is usually served with some rich chicken or mutton gravy, even paneer or veg gravies. So without any delay, let us look at the ingredients now. Our first ingredient is of course rice. I'm using basmati rice and it is absolutely essential to use basmati rice for this recipe. Here I have 2 cups of basmati rice which I have washed thoroughly and soaked in water for at least half an hour. Next we have some spices, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves, 5 cardamoms, 2 bay leaves and a teaspoon of cumin seed. I am using the Shahi Jeera, which is a very finer version of the cumin seed. Around half cup of coriander leaves chopped finely. Around 20 cashews which I have splitted into half. 2 medium sized onions sliced and saffron. What I have done is I have crushed my saffron and then soaked it in hot milk for around an hour. By soaking it in hot milk and crushing the saffrons, the color has come out so bright yellow, exactly like the way we want it in our saffron rice. And 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. And of course some salt to taste. So let's start cooking now. My pan has been heating and to this I have added around 2 tablespoons of oil. To this first I'll fry my cashews and then my onion, and finally we'll move on to making the rice. So I'm adding my cashews now. If you like to add in any other kind of dry fruits like raisins, almonds, pistachios, you can definitely add it. I'll allow my cashews to cook for a minute or 2 till it turns slightly brownish in color. You have to be very careful so that the cashews don't burn. So this is how my cashew should look after frying, slightly brown in color. Now in the same pan I'll add in my onions. My onions are well fried now. As you can see, it's turned golden brown. We'll remove it from heat. In the same pan I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now we'll add in our whole spices, bay leaves, cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon sticks and Shahi Jeera or cumin seeds. This is a finer version of the cumin seeds, but if this is not available you can use normal cumin seeds also. Once the spices start infusing the aroma, we'll add in our rice. My rice has been frying for a minute, and if you can notice that it is turning a little bit more whitish in color. Now is the time to add your water. So for 2 cups of rice, I am using 4 cups of water. That is just the double of your rice quantity. Give a slight mix and add in your salt. Salt is of course according to taste. And I'll also add in half teaspoon of sugar. Don't mix the rice too hard because it is very soft and it might break. Now we'll cover it and cook till the rice is 90% done. That is till the water almost evaporates. Friends, I just forgot to add in the cashews. I'll add it right now. Give a slight mix and cover it. My rice is almost 80% cooked. Now I'll add in this fried onions on top. Coriander leaves and my saffrons. Turn my gas to low and cover it and cook it for another 3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes now, and I'll remove the lid and check if it is done. Yes, all the water has evaporated, and what we'll do right now is we'll switch off the gas and let it sit for another 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll do the plating. So my rice has been sitting for another 5 minutes, and now I'll open it and check. You can see how the grains has fluffed up. So now I'll do the serving. So friends, my saffron pulao is ready. It looks really beautiful, like the rice has fluffed up perfectly. And I would also like to mention, please do not use rose water in this, because that really spoils the smell of saffron in this rice. Do try it at home and let me know how it turns out. And do press in the like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Till then, have a good day.